Hey guys, hari ini kita ada di negara bagian Idaho dan kami ada di rumah teman sekarang dan main di PS3. It's a PS3, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, main di PS3 dan ini video game Kung Fu Panda.
Hi.
And they're playing Kung Fu Panda.
That sounds so weird. That's a weird voice. Probably shouldn't do that.
Oh man, you got me.
Yes.
Jadi Seth dia Thailand dan Jillian dia yang ini apa? Wolf.
I taught him how to play this game, and suddenly he's just the master of it.
Yep.
He's the master of this
I know,
game.
it's crazy. He's beating all of us.
Sarah,
Whoa.
why do you keep on saying that? No.
I remember how to do this. Go. Oh, I'm just blocking her.
So she's the tiger, and
Ah,
he's
no.
the...
Oh, I fell in the river. No. Oh no, the bomb. Ooh, I keep dying so fast.
I didn't get that by accident.
You really think you can win just by defending?
Green, get the ring. No, run away.
You can do it, Sarah.
That's
No,
4
you
times.
cannot do it.
That's the master of this game.
Yes. Against Tigress, I win so easily.
No. Oh, that's scary.
I am majestic. You cannot defeat me.
Yes, I will. Get the tininess. Ah! No! Run! No! Oh, I totally died. Wait. X. Okay, yeah. X is jump. Ooh, fire. No! I'm so bad at this
I have a
game.
pretty crown. Look at my crown.
Right now, Sarah has -9 and Jillian has 15.
I'm
No,
so
now
bad.
Sarah has
Yeah,
-12.
Hi, Peanut. Come here.
Come
here. Ini anjing mereka namanya Peanut. Oh, good girl.
Out of that. And I don't know how long they've lived in that house, but all of a sudden there's this little space and
Here's Samantha. Come here, girl.
That was a YouTube video where there's a scene.
What are you
Looking at the
doing?
scene of filming a scene, if you will. Yeah. And they've got this big forklift type. He's the cat whisperer.
Hi, kitty.
Well, I put
Hello, Samantha. Hi. Isn't she cute?
how many cans of
Yeah. Hi, Noah. Meow. Noah. Noah. Whoa, good job. Hi, Noah. Beautiful kitty.
I think Samantha's job.
Oke guys, sekarang aku kasih kalian tahu sesuatu yang bisa dibuat dengan rumput seperti ini. Jadi taruh rumputnya begini di tangan, terus tiup di sini. Seperti itu. You can do it by yourself. It's like.
How are you good at everything? At your age.
Sarah.